All right, so we've got people arriving here for the rendezvous. This is going to be so fun. I can't wait. And we have Fatty here. He does all our fresh conch for us. This is the guy to come and see in Marsh Harbour right here. He's going to give us some fresh conch, and then we're going to Colours Restaurant here tonight. This is the opening party, guys. We're starting here tomorrow. The race starts right here in Marsh Harbour. So yeah, all these guys are coming over. We're going to start the festivities.
You guys all right? Everybody good? Yeah. That's good. Well, for those who don't know me, my name is Fatty. Everybody calls me Fatty, but my name is Tristan, and I'm Fatty Fresh. I'm the one. I'm the one that stays with the fresh conch salad at all given times. I got my dive in the boat. What he does is he holds on the rope behind the boat, and he just trails behind the boat, and he just checks the perimeter, make sure that he sees any conch. And once he sees conch, he just comes up and let me know. Drop anchor! All right. So once we drop anchor, we go down and we dive up conchs. I got a cage down here in the water, which we call a conch crawl. Now I've already made the salad batch for everyone. So I saved one conch so I can show you guys how you take a conch out the shell, how you clean it, and show you whether, if it's a male or female, I'll be able to show you whether that's a male conch or female conch or whatever. So I'm gonna take the conch out now. So everybody can see, right? Okay.
Caught that already?
No, I had it in the cage. Yeah. I had it there waiting. So this conch is like about 5 years old, right? And then this is the lip of the conch. This is the crown of the conch. And the conch normally has a bunch of little crowns. So this area right here is where the last crowns would be at. And this right here would be where the second to the last crowns would be at. So right in the front of the second to the last, what you would do is you will bust a hole like that. Once the hole is busted, it's always best to use a butter knife. That's where you do not cut the meat of the conch up. So that's where you can have all your conch, right? And once this hole is busted, the up top is where the gut is at. So you kind of lift up the gut. Let me let the camera see it. You can see the white meat in there. And once the suction is loose, you can just pull the conch right out, right? And then
That looks like a male to me. It's a male, eh?
this is a female conch.
Which tastes better, male or female?
All taste the same to me. And this is what the entire conch looks like. So this is the foot of the conch. This is what we call the bubby. So the bubby is like an elbow or a knee or something like that, right? And then you get two eyes. So this is one eye here, that's another eye, and that's the mouth. And this area right here, what we call the conch red, you have to check that area thoroughly because the conchs produce pearls, just like how the oysters do, but our pearls take the coloration of the inside of the shell. So all of those pretty pink and all those colors, you find pearls like that. So what you do is you lift it up and check all up underneath here and check inside the bag.
Have you ever found a pearl?
I found one.
Is it like one in every 10,000 or something?
I've been here, 4 years, and I run through maybe 400 conch a week. And about 9 weeks ago, I found the first one. So I may be cleaning like 90,000 conchs before I found the first one. Yeah, and I sold that. That's how I got my shutters to shut down and build all that stuff like that. Yeah. I said, Fatty, you gotta do something with the first one. Yeah. So okay, and then this here is what we call conch slop. And that's actually the gut of the conch. Best fishing bait you could ever have. So when you're gonna clean the conch, what you do is you just kind of cut it across. Once you cut it across, and this is what you call a skinned and clean conch. And if any one of you guys want to take back any to the US, you can take up to 40 pounds of it back, and it has to be prepared just like this and frozen in salt water. And all of this is the meat that we can eat. So what I would do is, whether or not I have skin on the conch or not, I would kind of fillet it. So I would cut the conch in like thin layers like this. And then if your knife's dull, you might have to kind of score it like that. But if you got a sharp knife, you could just tap, and it's a way of, say, tenderizing with the knife. So once you put a slight score with the grain, and I turn it sideways, and I cut it in strips against the grain.
How long does it take you to dive out the 400 conch that you take out?
I probably might do maybe 3 hours, 2.5 hours, depending on the ground that I go on. If I find a nice ground that's loaded, I wouldn't be out there too long. You're bringing them up 5, 6 at a time.
Ooh, this is a good salad.
He's got this super big bowl today.
Oh yeah. What I have here today is a traditional salad. Now most places you go, your traditional salad would maybe just have onions, tomatoes, and green pepper, but I add cucumber to mine for extra burst of freshness. And my salad is made, I call this balanced. Normally if you would just get it with just lime, that's what you call sharp, but I add orange juice so it could have a balanced flavor. So you could taste all of the flavors that I have in there. You could taste the spice, taste the orange, taste the limes, and all of the veggies, and most definitely the conch.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. This is fantastic.
Oh, you're gonna try.
Bob is the champion. He knows everybody's conch salad. Hey guys, come and grab some conch salad. Can I have two? I'm gonna give it to those guys. Oh, thank you, Fatty. I'm feeding everybody, so you can put some more. Are you not eating this? I'm gonna eat. Oh, okay, good. Fatty, fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.